Please help me welcome on stage architect Kalhan Mattu, the founder of Office of Kalhan.
We're good to go? All right, wonderful. I have to admit, and this is the admission that I'm happy to make, that the design community has done extremely little to actually embrace the change that is happening. Usually design thinking is usually top to bottom. We went to factories, some 200 factories across Asia Pacific, so we have offices there. And with these factories, we built relationships. And from those factories, we got the information of their modules. So let's say this one is interiors. DXB is focusing on interiors. So 200 factories gave their information to us. It's a tedious job. We signed up with them. We got their information to a common BIM, Building Information Module system, which the skin of which, or the interaction of it, is going to be something that we are developing on our own. That information becomes live information for you to be able to decide about a project. So the factories, materials, finishes, everything is part of our library now. So this is how it works. For an interior project now, the first pain point is your measurements are all wrong. So we drop that entire thing and we go for 3D scanning, so it gives the point cloud data. Second thing, we use a gaming kind of platform to actually discern what the real client needs are. A lot of things to actually get that sense of how spaces are utilized. So it's an informed way to do your design program. Then we are developing a tool. It's a planning tool for offices to begin with, which is already in beta stage. Second, we are developing a tool for auditoriums. Third, we are developing for hotels. So we are going, one typology by one typology. The parameters are pretty much fixed for any office design. You know what the fire norms are going to be. You know what the passage is going to be, tolerances are going to be. We waste inordinate amount of time with indulging on this, whereas it's the dumb end of design. It should not be. I want to reduce that time from a month to 1 day. Problem is, client is not ready for that. I can show you 50 in a day. It's possible. And why should we be wasting time with that? Focus on the part that is critically important. So my dumb design gets done right there. You take a decision. You get into a VR ecosystem. We do live renderings for you. But the modules that you're looking at are actually factory modules. So 200 factories mapped out geographically, everything with their production capacities, everything, their entire information base with us, including pricing. But the pricing is a preferential pricing as it grows because it's a marketplace now. So they understand that we become literally a channel partner for them. As it grows, the pricing will drop even further. What is the proof of all that I'm talking? 4 projects we already done, all from multinational companies. We have managed to reduce on a project which is apple-to-apple comparison, same size, same company. We managed to reduce the cost to them, the client, by 28%. We reduced the on-site snacks by 89% compared to the earlier project. We reduced the time by a phenomenal amount. How much was the time reduction? All of this because we are able to produce most of the components that are required in a factory. The factory works in the same module as us in terms of the structure. The moment the client decides in that environment that this is final and the price tag changes on the side, he is always referencing that, he can place an order there and then with the factory because there are comparatives between the factories. And the specifications are very clear. We give choices. Reduce the unknowns in the entire process. The client gets updates for everything. So he's placing an order, he'll get a response from the factory. His material reaches site, a third-party checking and validation agency goes there and validates the material that has been received. That response comes to him. All of this, including the logistics, the RFID tracking, everything is online. So they see what is happening. They can control it to a large extent. And the future is going to be this in many different ways. But what we are doing is we are building small blocks of it. I know interiors is one thing in which it was, it's almost an axiom that you can get 2 of the 3 right. Cost, quality, or time. I'm here to make the bold claim you can get all 3 right. Absolutely. And we have 4 projects to prove that. The commercial real estate market needs to really rejig itself because the way it's currently done is a race to the bottom with minimal quality and maximal doubt. So we've created an avatar for this DXB. It's called Ava. So it humanizes the whole thing. That's where design comes in. But architects and designers who can think in 360, I believe, can do this much better. It's a humanities view on things. Eases the interaction of the client with the system. So I'll end it with this. I mean, there are more to speak about, but this is the one that I particularly wanted to talk about. And thank you so much for your time.